Hello everyone, my name is Pastor Leighton Smith. I'm the youth and young adult pastor here at Miami Temple Seventh Adventist Church. And I'm calling all worshipers to come on the 26th and on the 27th of October. We will be having our first annual worship workshop weekend. And the theme of this year's weekend is Open Praise. We are starting on Friday night with a night for all worshipers to come, entitled A Night with Levites. And then on Sabbath morning, we have a worship experience that will be led by Terrence Taylor, Pastor Terrence Taylor from Washington, who will be coming and leading worship with us, and Minister Kim Bulgen, who will be presenting a word for the experience in the morning. Afterwards, we'll be having two workshops, and if we implore you to come, if you're a worship leader or you are involved in the planning at your church when it comes to worship, we really implore you to come and be a part of our workshops. Number one, the first workshop is going to be on intentional worship planning. Intentional worship planning that will be given by Kim Bulgen. She is a lifetime minister of music and has dealt a lot with this. And the next seminar is going to be effective worship leading. So if you are an aspiring worship leader or you just want to get better at worship leading, we really implore you to come. And then in the afternoon, starting at 6:30 p.m., we're going to be having a wonderful concert here at Miami Temple Seventh Adventist Church. We will have people from all the different churches, including the Plantation Seventh Adventist Praise Team. Also, we'll be having Maranatha Seventh Adventist Church that will be blessing us in music. We also have our very own Temple Choir and the Bell Choir. We also have Kim and Terrence who will be giving a few numbers for us as well. So we really implore you to come. I really don't want you to miss this weekend. It's going to be enriching. It's going to be enjoying. It's going to be a time of fellowship. It's going to be a time where we're able to experience God, and a time where we'll be able to openly and unbridledly give praise to our God and King.